go. Today we got something special that we're trying. We got a request to do fruit roll up and pickles. So we're going to try a fruit roll up wrapped in a pickle. I put it in the freezer to get it kind of like, ready to eat. Damn, this shit like it disappeared. Woo, woo, woo. Da. What the fuck? It's nothing on there. Wait, I wrapped the whole thing around there. Like, hold up. Wait a minute. This got something over there, but damn, what the? Okay. Let me see. I'm out the game. I'm out of it. Ew. You want to let me? Go ahead. Stop the video. Stop the video. We gotta blur that part out.
See, very disgusting.
Don't say that. It's recorded.
Oh, is it?
It is.
Oh, I'm scared.
Oh my goodness. Okay, now we have the peppers. The pickles was an epic fail. Like we was off that. But I said no. We got the bag of peppers. I gotta try it. I got a red one. It's a rainbow one actually, and I have a blue one. It's just like a hot pepper in a jar.